This particular one, I've tried it. It can take care of any skin disease. This can take care of stretch marks, you know, both on ladies and all that. You can mix this in your oil. If you're applying it on any skin disease, okay, just apply it directly on that particular spot. So, but if you are using it on your cream, just pour, depending on the quantity of the cream, pour some inside your cream and apply it. Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you two ways you can use to achieve a very fresh and delicious avocado oil. First of all, you have to allow this to be softened. Like this one is still very hard, so I'm going to put this one aside. You need to allow it to be very soft for you to achieve enough oil. Okay, they are all washed, so have a look. Just remove the seed and put it aside. I will be using this for something else. Now to make sure, bring out everything. So I will just transfer this in my tray. You can use a potato masher or you can use your fork. So the quantity of oil you are going to get from this particular method is based on the number of avocado fruit you use. If you want a bigger quantity, you can go ahead and use more. So I'm going to put some here. This really takes quite a long time, maybe 1 or 2 days, depending on the temperature of your area. Okay, so I'm going to keep this in a warm place. When you notice the surface, okay, has changed, you need to keep stirring it, or else it may have a muddy smell, okay, which I know you wouldn't want. So let's keep this one aside and attend to the other method. This is the other method. I collected some from the the one I mashed. Okay, so I'm going to be adding a carrier oil. So you can use any oil of your choice. You can use sunflower oil, you can use coconut oil. So what I have is coconut oil, which I think. So think I'll be making do with this. Okay, so because this side doesn't have oil, can just give it a stir. Just give it a stir, making sure that the oil has circulated. As you can see, I need to add a little more oil. That's okay. Just add oil till it covers avocado paste completely. Okay, so I'm just going to cover this, put in an airtight container and cover it and keep. Hi guys, so look at it after some hours. This is how it has turned out to be. So you need to stir. You need to stir this. You can actually dry this under the sun, but if you are drying it inside, it has to be in a warm place, a very warm place. Okay guys, this is how it looks when it is ready. You see, uh, this is what doing. So see how it is. So we just go ahead now and squeeze the oil. Okay, so we use cheese clove. They don't have enough flesh, so I think that affected the production of oil as well. So you have to look out for the one that has enough flesh, that can give you enough oil. The quantity of oil you get depends on two things: the number of avocado you use, and the species also matters a lot. Oh, I think I'm almost done. Look, see how it is. So this goes to the trash can now. So the last stage should be to just sieve it. Guys, put it in a container like this. Cold press fermented avocado oil. This is the second step. Okay, so look at how you know when it is ready. You see it has been detached from this, and you will see a kind of bubbles. You see it. So with this, you see, so I did it yesterday, just within 24 hours. But I think the longer it stays, the healthier and the better and the more effective it becomes. What we'll need is our cheesecloth with my sieve. Okay, the sieve. Place my cheesecloth on it. So I put this here and try sieving out the oil first. So let me be done with this one. So here it is. So now what I need to do, so I'll just put this here, allow it to drain. If where the sieve will be hanged, so that the oil will be dripping. Okay, the oil will be dripping. We just cover it like this for like 5 to 10 minutes. I think this will be because I noticed that this one is very active. Try this and it worked for me. So both the skin, your hair, okay, hair repair and all that, this particular oil can take care of them. Okay, this one works too. Okay, but this one is more effective, but this one is lighter. You can also use this one for your salad dressing. I advise you to give this a shot, give it a trial, and thank me later. Bye bye.